Welcome to Knowledge Hub. Essay writing on Diwali festival. Diwali is one of the most popular festival in India. It is one of the biggest festival in India. Diwali is the festival of light. It is celebrated all over India with great joy. People clean and decorate their home before Diwali. They draw colorful rangoli on the floor. At night, people light diyas and candle everywhere. House and street look bright and beautiful. Children love to burn firecracker. People wear new clothes and meet friend. They share sweets and gift with each other. Diwali is celebrated to mark the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya. Many people worship of goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. Diwali shows that truth and goodness always win. Diwali teaches us that good always wins over evil. Diwali is also called Deepavali. Stay smart, stay healthy, and don't forget to subscribe.